So yesterday I forgot to do the winner announcement for the last week of Monoblock Monday for a while. I'm going to be putting that on pause, but we still have to announce last week's winner. Last week's winner will win the UGR. I do have a key for it, I just have to dig it out. So with all that said, Keybeard is the winner for this week. My email for the channel is in my channel description. Just shoot me an email with your address, and I'll get that sent out to you as soon as possible. Congratulations.